Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to mark pin multiple locations on Google Maps. So first thing that you will do is open up the Google Maps application into your device. So guys, first one, in order for you to pin a location, of course, just simply select a location that you would like to pin. Let's say I'm gonna pin this place over here, and I can just simply select save over here at the middle. And now you could just simply go for new list. And let's say I'm gonna go for example, and you could give a description as well. And now just simply select create. Now we have our first mark or pin over here. Now from here, as you can see, we have a one pin. Now guys, let's say I'm gonna pin this location over here that I selected and click on save. And from here, just put it on your category, which is the example that we made, and click on done. And from here, guys, when we zoom out and go to our maps, as you can see, we could see the two locations that we have saved. And you can do this as many as you can. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.